Hey guys, this is Michael. I am a seven-figure digital marketer. I did reviews by writing blogs and making videos so that you get the best quality products. And today I'm going to do a review of an app called Quillaio. And it's a very special app because it lets you create affiliate review articles on full autopilot. So before I just made this video, I was doing a review on it. I was going through it in depth and I've put that review together. You will watch it right next. But I was quite impressed by the kind of articles it writes because it can write really relevant, high quality articles that you have seen on high quality affiliate review sites. And it can work with absolutely any niche. You can create reviews of physical products. You can create reviews of digital products, any niche, any product. It's easy to use. And in fact, in my review, I'm going to show you some real tips of how you can use to maximize your returns from it. I'm going to give you my insights into this. And also by the end of it, if you decide to pick it up, I want you to make sure that you pick it up from my link because I've set up a special bonus for you. Here is what I will do for you. If you get Quillaio from my live link, I'm going to give a huge bonuses of worth $43,000. Take a look at the bonuses that you receive if you make purchase through my links. Link details are given in the description of this video. Let's go to the review and take a look at Quillaio and see how the tool works. This is Quillaio. I've logged in, and right after you log in, we have Joshua Zamora right here in person. Now, in the tutorial section, I actually saw a great tutorial for Quillaio, and you can view them. You can look at all these tutorials to learn how it works. Now, I recommend before you get started, please look at the tutorials. If you look at the tutorials, your journey will be so much easier and you will be able to understand how to make it work better. To get started, we need to go to the article section. This is where we will write the actual reviews. Now, we don't have anything yet because we just got into the software. And to write your first article, click on the plus button right over here. This will show you this pop-up, which has everything you need to write a great AI review. The first thing you need to select what kind of review you want to work on. So you have many options, like Quillaio gives you about 6-7 different options. I have the best plan. I have the topmost plan. So it unlocks all the options for me. Now, if you are not getting some of the options, please consider upgrading to a higher plan. If you buy the bundle, you will get all of these options. So what you see here depends on the version that you've got. You have many options like Best X for Y for Dummies. And I will talk about each of these options a little bit later. Let's start with the first one, in fact, and let's see it in action. So Best X for Y is used to write articles like best 10 capsule brands for your Nescafe coffee machine, for example, or best accessories for your treadmill, or whatever you want to put in, so you can do articles like Best X for Y. So you need to specify a subject that is Best X for Y. Let's get started with this one, Best X for Y, and put in a topic that matches this. So I'll go with the first one that I thought of. Best Nescafe, best coffee capsule brands for your Nescafe coffee machine. This is the subject. Now, this will typically be the input that you need to give it to decide what's the title of the article. The software might change the title to make it more catchy, but you can put in anything that you want right over here. Next, choose the language. Now, from this selection, I can see that there is quite a large selection of languages available to you. There are different language options that you can choose to write your article. I'm going to go for English for now. And then you can also select the word count of the article. Now, let me give you an update. This word count maximum availability also depends on the version of Quillaio that you have. If you got a lower version, entry-level version, then you might get a lower word limit. But if you got the professional version or the better version, you can go all the way up to 1800. With the bundle version, you can go all the way up to 1800. Then you can select primary keywords. If you're doing SEO, if you are creating these articles with an SEO mindset and you want to actually target a keyword, you can put that in. Now, I don't think you really need to. The job is done already in the title, so you don't really need to. But go ahead if you want to target a particular keyword, put that in. And you can also target a secondary keyword. So the secondary keyword will be in different parts of the articles, but the primary keyword, the software will try to put in headlines and all the important places so that you get the best output. Now, you can, of course, promote your affiliate link. That's the entire idea. I don't have an affiliate link for coffee machines, so I'm just going to go for a random link. But here, this is here where you will be putting in your affiliate link. Now, I want to tell you this. The article will be automatically posted to your WordPress site. You need to have a WordPress site for this, but if you have some other site, you need to copy the review article manually to your site. Now, if you let this product add authority links, it's going to add links from authority websites into the article. Now, this is something that might happen if you give it data sources too. Typically, I would not want to do that because authority links is only for the reader. Images is something different. I would typically like to add images, so I would turn it on and it will create images and post it to your article. So that's a good thing. And of course, you have full control once the article is posted. You can remove the images that you don't like next. You can specify data sources. Now, the data sources could be articles that people have written on this topic, and you can use them as sources. So for example, this one best coffee capsule. Branch for your Nescafe. Well, I don't know about any particular article that does this, but let me put that in best coffee capsule brands for Nescafe. Let's see what we get. So there are some videos, by the way. This software supports using videos, so you can use a YouTube video as a data source. Again, this depends on whether you got the top version or not now. I have the top version. If you get the bundle, you get it, so you can add it. You can add it. You can add a secondary source. Also, it could be another video or maybe even an article, so I particularly like Quora. Quora is a really good source of information. Or Reddit. Reddit is a great source of information. Always the best source when it comes to organic and real information. So I'll just put URL this time and put in the link. Now you can also put in a PDF. So if you got a book or something or an ebook, you can just put it up as a source, then finally click on create and it's going to work. Now this can take some time, could be about 10 to 15 or 20 seconds. All right, so this is the final article right over here. You can see the headline's pretty nice. The ultimate guide to Nescafe capsules. Top picks for your Nescafe coffee machine. Actually quite targeted. I like it. Now, the article itself is very nice. It's written in a very nice manner. The images are not coming in, and I guess the software is an evolution. Of course, when it hits the market or it evolves, it will become better at image creation. But for now, I think you can solve this problem. Now, next notice that it actually put a link. So when you mouse over on it and when you click on it, this is the affiliate link that I put in, and it put the link in the article. So you have that over here. It put there in multiple places, of course. So when people come to the article, they can actually find the link and go to your article, go to your affiliate link, and then discover the product. This is a well-written article that you can publish on your site. It saved you probably hours, because if you are not an expert writer, you will have to research and do things. It did all that research for you based on the videos and the sources that you gave it, and it's written the article. So go into WordPress, publish it, then highlight these links, highlight these brand names, and point them to your affiliate links because people would click on these and they would make the sale. This is the keyword with buyer intent. And I would say totally and absolutely use them. If you're running an affiliate site, always link up the product name. That's the best strategy, and try to get the affiliate links for all the products that you can. Of course, you will be working in your niche or domain, so I would think you would see the products that you can actually sell. Now, this is done. I can close this, and the article is added over here. You want to publish it to WordPress. For that, you need to go to this plugin section. There will be a plugin that you can download, and you need to install it in your WordPress. Once you've installed the plugin, then you'll be able to publish the article directly. In the tutorial side, there's a great tutorial that shows you how to use the plugin and post it. So just watch that, and you will know. Let's take a look at another system comparison. And that's great. Nescafe Dolce versus Dianche Dedica. Yeah, we have specified two specific products this time. So this article will be comparing these two products, trying to give users a conclusion. To give your audience a conclusion about which one is better. Again, to write an article like this, you would need to understand these two products and then write on it. So we will try to do it using AI, of course. This time I'll go for a longer word limit because this can take longer. This type of article should be longer. Primary keyword, Nescafe Dulce Gusto. Secondary keyword, DeLonghi Terrica. Okay? And again, I'm going to put in my link. It won't be adding any authority links. We won't be trying to add images. Now again, you can put in your images manually. I have opened the Amazon links for these two products. I'm going to use them, and you can grab the images from here perfectly fine. Now the data source this time, let's use Amazon. So this is the first product, copy it over this time, specify URL, copy the entire URL. And typically I would say just remove the extra stuff like the fluff is not needed. They're not going to add anything useful to the URL. I should have actually done that on Notepad before I hit the box. Let me do it now. So here's the URL. I will just delete all the extra stuff. Here we go. Okay. And this should be enough. Click on this. Then the second product, this is the Nescafe Dulce Gusto product, and delete all the extra stuff, copy over the URL, come back Quillaio.io or LIO URL, and here we go. Quillaio create. Let's wait. Let's take a look at this article. Nescafe Dulce Gusto versus Dianche Dedica. A comprehensive comparison. Pretty good title. And then Nescafe Dulce Gusto and Dianche Dedica are two prominent names in the world of home coffee machines. And then you have actually feature by feature comparison. On the other hand, the DeLonghi Dedica Pump Espresso coffee machine is designed for those who crave barista quality espresso in the comfort of their home with a powerful 15-bar pressure pump. Then it compares features and specifications. You can see the heading itself is pretty nice too. And again, there is a link to my affiliate site, brewing options. Look at this. It gives you the exact brewing options that these machines have with the headings, user experience, and ease of use. Again, the two products are actually compared, right? Design and aesthetics, price and value for money. Conclusion, I gotta say, this is an excellent article. And you can post articles like this to your blog all day and expect some magic to happen. Because here's what you want to do. You want to go for the products that are long tail, that's where the magic is. If you're starting out in your business, if you don't have a blog that is an amazing success already, you want to start out with long tail, look for products that are not reviewed so often, and then just use the Amazon link to get a review done. It took me like 20 seconds and it's all done for me. I can just post the images in, post to my affiliate link, and that's it. How easier can it be? So this is amazing. Again, you can post this article to your blog pretty easily. So guys, now I want to tell you this product is great. It works. There's some things that you need to do manually, but there's no magic solution to make money. You have to work. And that's not a bad thing to put in like 10 minutes into each article and just give it some finesse, put in the correct affiliate links, pointing to multiple products, put in your images. Then you do all of that. That article is going to be amazing and it's actually going to get you results. Now, if you decide to get it, make sure you get it from me because I will tell you why it's the best deal when you get it from me. So I'm going to give you great bonuses that can help you. These are real world tools, not some crazy $75,000 bonus that doesn't make any sense. You know, I'm real. So I do a job that's real and authentic. I'll give you tools that actually work. Quillaio official website link is given in the description. You can use this link to make purchase, and also you can check the full details of the bonuses that you will receive along with Quillaio from the link in the description. I hope I have provided enough information about product. In case you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you for watching.